How to add noise reduction to audio in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fairlight page where all the audio editing happens. Next, select the audio track you want to clean up, then open the effects panel on the top left. Search the noise reduction under Audio Effects tab and drag it to the audio. You will see controls like threshold, sensitivity, ratio, attack, dry wet, level, and more. This helps you adjust how much noise you want to remove without affecting the original audio quality. Start by increasing the threshold slowly to target the unwanted background noise. Then adjust sensitivity to control how aggressively the effect detects noise. Use the ratio control to set how much noise reduction is applied. A moderate ratio usually works best to keep the audio natural. Attack helps control how quickly the noise reduction reacts to changes in the audio signal, preventing sudden drops or unnatural sounds. Dry wet lets you blend the original audio with the processed sound, so you don't lose the natural feel. Level adjusts the overall output volume of the effect. Play your audio while tweaking these controls to find the right balance between noise removal and maintaining audio clarity. Remember, too much noise reduction can make the audio sound muffled or artificial, so fine-tune carefully. After final adjustment, listen to your track in context with the rest of your project to ensure everything sounds clean and natural. And that's it. Now you know how to add noise reduction to audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.